Here's a 1930 Ford Model AA truck. Stake bed, as you can see. 201 L-head inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. We're going to start this up, let you hear it run at the end of the video. We'll pop the hood open, let you take a little closer look underneath that. Let's go ahead and look at the front on this. As you can see, hey, what's a Model A or an AA truck without the Auga horn? And that is working. We'll even blow that when we get up in the cab. The two-tone green and black combination, very classic look on these old 30 Fords. Take a look at all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Get a good look at the radiator and the headlight buckets. Bright work, looks good on those headlights. Black vinyl vent seat. Very stock looking dash. I'll show you where the gas shutoff is here too. When we open that hood and start it up, you can see the wood, nice shape. Appears to be pine. And of course, these sides would come off if you just wanted the flatbed part of it. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, or even parades. A little candy being thrown off the back of this, maybe a magnet with your business advertising on the door. Park it out front when you're not driving it. All kinds of good uses for this truck to have a little fun with. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Dualies in the rear. Take your time. Once again, looking through those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. As you can see, paint shows well on it. It's not perfect. You'll find an imperfection here or there. Like I always say in these older trucks, you have to have too fancy a paint. You want to have a little imperfection here or there. It just kind of matches that old school look that they have, especially when you can get in them and drive them. All right, let's look a little closer at the interior door panels. Of course, the rubber flooring. There is a battery shut off in this one. And let's open this hood just a little bit on this side and I can show you. There's the battery shut off right down there by the starter. So you know that. Of course, your VIN is stamped on the side of the engine right there. That is what they use for the VIN, I should say. It's an engine number. This would have a clear title with that number matching the engine and the title. All right. Let's take a look at this dash. We're going to turn this key on. There's your ignition. Actual horn button. Auga horn. Of course, you'd have your pull choke right here, which we really shouldn't need being indoors. But let's do it anyway. There we go. Whoops. There it is. Of course, this side's throttle right here. Your lights would be right here. And I want to show you, this is a 4-speed. So you can see this shift right now. You'd have your normal 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, reverse. I can't get it into reverse unless I lift up on this right here, and it lets me go over and then back down. So that's reverse. So it has like a reverse lockout with that flip. That switch is flipping. Turn neutral. Sounds as you'd expect. You're used to these old L-head inline 4-cylinders. Kind of sounds like every other one I've heard. Very distinctive sound. Exhaust is over here. I want to show you something. Speaking of exhaust, we're going to have a little trivia again. Down in the comments, those brass pipes right there, looks like they're kind of hooked up to something coming out of that exhaust. How about who's the first one in the comment down below this video? Tell us what that is. Here's your gas shut off. That's on where it's at right there, obviously. It's a nice looking engine bay. Engine runs smooth, sounds good. Now you see this isn't hooked up, but that will turn and let the exhaust out it. And yeah, let's see who answers that first down in the comments. 1930 Ford Model AA stake bed truck. Nice looking truck, smooth runner. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1930 Ford Model AA. That would be a dually pickup truck. This is a 4-speed on the floor. And it has a beautiful wood bed, flatbed. Green and black paint, looking really good. This truck drives very nice. The clutch and the shifting feel good. Our speedometer does not work. The amps are showing charging, above half on the gauge. The fuel gauge is reading the half of a tank. I'd say we're probably doing approximately 35 to 40 miles per hour. Yeah, it's a comfortable ride. It's a fairly smooth ride. This is a work truck. If I let go of the steering wheel, this truck stays nice and straight right where I put it. There is a little bit of slack in the steering. That is to be expected. Not a lot of frills and extras in a truck like this. But it does what it does very well. Corners nicely. First thought with this truck is it's great for parades. You could put a live band in that flatbed if you wanted to. Take a look at all the pictures.